We are going to take up notice writing. You had heard earlier a video presentation on notice writing. We are going to quickly revise what is a notice and how notice is written, and then you will be getting an assignment based on notice writing. Students, you have been writing notice right from class 6th onwards, and later on also in your life you will be writing a notice. So what is a notice? Notice is a type of written information about some event or occasion. Now, where is notice used? Notice is used in school or in offices. You find that this information is pasted on the notice board. The purpose of notice is to inform people about various events or issues. Now, for writing a notice, there are some important points that one should follow. First of all, the name of the organization, office, school is written on the top. Then, the title, notice is written, and after that, you give a suitable title to the notice, topic to the notice. And on the left hand side, you write the date. In the middle portion, you write the body of the notice. Now, in the end, you write the name and the designation of the person. The designation means post of the person who is writing the notice. All this information is written in a box, and the word limit is 50 words. Now, there are some things to remember when you write a notice. First of all, there is a box, enclosed box, in which you write all the information. Now, I'll be showing you one example, and then you are going to work on some questions based on notice. Now, just see the format first. Now, here you see the name of the school, Delhi Public School, Lucknow. Then notice, that is, and then the title. What is the title? Celebration of World Environment Day. And then you write the date when you are giving the notice. Then in the middle portion, you write the content. What is the content? Students are informed about the World Environment Day, which will be observed on, the date is given, 5th June 2019, where in the school premises. Now just see, what is going to happen? World Environment Day. When? 5th June. And where? School premises. Now, what are the students supposed to do? Each class is instructed to bring at least 2 saplings. That is 2 small plants. For more information, contact the undersigned. Who is the undersigned? Undersigned is Mohit, head boy. Fine. You've understood how a notice is written. What are the things you will keep in mind when you are writing a notice? Now you'll be getting an assignment based on notice writing. You will be doing this in your fair notebooks. Thank you, class.